New arrival, 2025 Skipper 38 with twin Mercury 400 racing engines, stunning new layout. The all-new 2025 Skipper 38 has arrived, and it's better than ever. Powered by twin Mercury 400 racing engines, this boat is built for speed, performance, and luxury. Discover the stunning new layout, designed for maximum comfort and socializing. Whether you're cruising the open waters or relaxing at the wet bar, the 2025 Skipper 38 delivers the ultimate boating experience. Don't miss out, come check it out now. Subscribe for more exclusive Skipper Powerboats updates, reviews, and tours.